Hello, this short video presentation is on quadratic inequalities. We've done inequalities before. We did linear inequalities last semester. We're just going to incorporate those ideas into quadratics. So it's important to pay attention. Is it less than or equal, or greater than or equal, or is it just less than or greater than? All right. If it's greater than, we use the dashed line. If it's less than or equal, greater than or equal, we use a solid line. All right, let's begin. Just like we did before, minus 16, y minus 16 plus something less than or equal to 2 times x squared plus 6x, 2 times 6 is 12, plus something. Half of 6 squared is 9. So we add 9 to this side, but really 2 times 9 is 18. We add 18 to that side. We wrote 9, but it's 2 times 9. All right, we now end up with y plus 2 less than or equal to 2 times x plus 3 quantity squared. And now we can graph. Our vertex is -3, -2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's where our vertex is. Let's change the color here. And then we go up and over 1, 2, incorrect there, Muscat. Because of this 2, normally we would go here. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. We're right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then here and here. I don't always draw the axis of symmetry, but it does help you make sure that this 1 and 1, 2 and 2 lines up. We have a solid line, so now we draw our graph. And again, make these marks so that I can see them, because if you draw like I do, you're going to miss them. There we go. Don't forget your arrowheads. Now, when we think about inequalities, if it's less than, we shade it down. If it was greater than, we shade it up. So all this, everything but inside the parabola. All right, it's kind of hard to do it with this. That's it. That's all there is to it. Let's do one more. This one is a little easier because there is no coefficient. So we subtract 13 minus 13. We get y minus 13 plus something equals x squared minus 8x plus something. Half of 8 is 4. We square it, we get 16. Plus 16. Y plus 3. There's no equal sign here. It's greater than. Do not use an equal sign. Y plus 3 is greater than x minus 4 quantity squared. And now we graph. All right, our vertex, we'll try this. I'm going to use a yellow. My vertex is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right, yellow's not going to work. All right, 4, negative 3. Coefficient is 1 here, so it's just 1. And then 2 is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're over here. Because it's greater than, and it is not greater than or equal, we have to make a dashed line. Easiest thing for me is to make a solid line, get out the eraser, and then making sure I don't erase my dots. However you want to do it, doesn't matter. And then we shade. Greater than, from the line, we shade up. And now, this is going to be a little easier. Dun, 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 dun. Much better than my last graph. I was a little too carried away because you can't see that it's dashed anymore. All right? So, that's all there is to it. Incorporating what we've been doing. All right? I hope this makes sense. We'll do some on our next assignment. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.